Everyone, we're out feeding the pigs and chickens this morning, so here's these guys that we're going to be feeding here in a minute. But I thought I'd just take you along this morning as we feed all the different sets of pigs that we have. We have them separated a little bit by breeds or depending on what kind of piglets or what sizes piglets that they have. So we're going to feed these other little cute guys over here, so let's go take a look. Welcome to the Roots Revival with Food Prude, where we're going back to our roots and learning old-fashioned ways in a modern world. Hi, I'm Laura Lawrence, and I'm glad you're here with me.
Hey, little piggies. Oh, you're the big one. Got something. What do we get? Oh. Oh, they're hungry this morning. Hungry little pigs. Back and forth, back and forth. Little piggy butt smack. Did you get that?
Hi, mamas. All right, ready? Someone's coming with a bucket for you. Don't you worry. You guys have a nice wallow. Let's go see those baby piggies. Ta-da! Hi, guys. I think they're a couple weeks old now. Hi. What are you guys doing, huh? Are you gonna eat? Oh, look at that. I know. Right? Are you waiting for me? You waiting for me? Slap. There goes the slap. Oh, are you guys gonna come up? Who's gonna come here? Hi! Come here. They're skittish. We're working on it though, all the time. Come on. You wanna come get the food? Yeah. Go see your mamas? Yeah. Goodbye. Say hello to the camera. Walk on by, single file line. Great job. Hi. Oh, you saw somebody behind me. Oh, hi guys. So many piglets, huh? So cute. Look at that guy. He's a chunk. A little lazy chunk, too. Are you guys enjoying breakfast? Is that tasty? Yeah. We feed you good, don't we? Yay, little pigs. Hi. Here's the other ones. Some mamas over there. You can tell they're moms, right? And here's the babies. Not so baby anymore, are they? You peeking around there? Hey, boys. Fence is off. I'm so graceful. Come on, boys. Let's go get some breakfast. Dirty job, but somebody's got to do it. No. Hold on. You guys happy to get on new grass after a long night? Oh yeah. Find those buggies. I spy a deer. Watching our dogs play. Probably wants to come and play. You guys were just running by him. That's hilarious. Okay, all the chicken tractors have done their walk. I like to say, let's go walk around the promenade because we're super fancy and highfalutin here.